Naomi, what was that?
What?
Say it again.
Used to be the nurse's office.
In the yearbook girl.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Yep.
Kevin, are you sick?
Nope.
What about you, Kaylee?
I'm getting there, but I'm fighting it off by drinking like a gallon of orange juice every night, then waking up in the morning.
What about you, Laura? Are you sick?
Yeah, kind of.
And whose fault is it?
And Naomi, you started everything.
Just don't run around in gym class because you might pass out like I did.
And have to be brought out by a wheelchair.
I don't.
Yeah.
Why didn't I see this?
This is like, we need to go get a wheelchair for you. I was like, yeah, there's no way you're gonna be able to get a wheelchair down to the tennis courts. Oh, she's like, oh, we'll do it. I was like, I'm just gonna lay here for a while.
As people pass in the hallway, it's like, what?
Hi, people.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Okay, what's today? The 12th?
Yeah, it's a Friday. It's after September 11th.
Friday the 12th after. Okay, you know what? First thing in the morning, you cannot be calling me mean names.
It took her 3 seconds to get.
She's really mean. Have you noticed?
No, everybody makes fun of how slow I am. I don't care.
I'm sorry, I lied. It took 2.
Fuck you.